Hey everybody and welcome. Steve here from OpenBOM. In this video we'll be making a bill of material using OpenBOM for this chair design that I have in Fusion. So I've already gone to the Autodesk website and I've downloaded and installed the OpenBOM for Fusion 360 add-in. I've clicked on the settings button and signed in. So I see I'm going to go ahead and use the default settings. And next thing I'm going to do is click on the M here to create a multi-level bill of material. So I get a little message going to tell me what's going to happen. We're going to put items into the Fusion 360 items catalog. We're going to build a BOM, a multi-level BOM for the wood chair. And that's exactly what I want. So when I click continue, OpenBOM will begin to analyze the structure that you have in your Fusion design, going through each item, creating a thumbnail image, and then understanding where its position is in the structure, and then creating a bill of material. So we've got about 24 items here, so OpenBOM is just completing that. And we will then display the bill of material down here in the bottom. And you can see that it's multi-level. We see the structure. I have a thing here called the base assembly. That comes through as a structured bill of material. So in our next videos, we'll take a look at some more advanced settings, but I hope you find that useful. Thanks.